If you enjoy river walks, learning how industries shape a city and want to see world-famous bridges up close, then a Newcastle Quayside tour is for you. This 1-hour tour starts outside the Red House pub on Newcastle Sandhill. We will take you to the high-level bridge, the first bridge in the world to have 2 levels, before taking you along the River Tyne to the youngest of all the bridges, the Millennium Bridge, where the tour ends. On this tour, you'll discover why the Romans were afraid of water, how Newcastle became the world's shipyard, and what the river is used for today. So, if you would like to explore the city's famous riverside for yourself, book the Newcastle Quayside tour today at ilestours.co.uk. We look forward to taking you along the River Tyne soon.